Hey young guys, my name's Luke Mead, and in this episode we're going to be walking you through a review of Swyftx or Swyftx, which is an Australian cryptocurrency trading platform. Now my story is I'm just getting started in cryptocurrency, but I'm going to be looking to learn it and master it and see how I can use it in my life growing up. Now let's get started. So I know nothing about cryptocurrency, well a little bit, and I've only recently got into it with Cardano. So that's my story, and I want to document why I'm doing it and how I'm doing it. Let's get straight into it. So Swyftx is an Australian-based cryptocurrency trading platform. They've got great low fees, 0% flat with deposit and withdrawal, 0.6% trading fees, which is really, really good. Now, in the dashboard, it's a little bit clunky, but once you get to know it, it actually works really, really well, and there's a few powerful features. The first one is there's a demo mode. So you can turn this on and off if you want to practice trading cryptocurrency and learn it. Obviously it's turned off for me because I've been investing money. Now you can see here on this dashboard, we've got a portfolio which outlines my money and where it's invested. You can see 98% in ADA, Cardano, and then 2% in Australian dollars. And then you can see some favorite cryptocurrencies of mine, top movers. You can see the activity, so how I've purchased. You can see statistics about what activity is getting done. And there's some account stuff here and some news stuff, and then obviously some referral stuff. Now, that's just the start of Swyftx. It gets better. So say we want to go buy a coin and do some research. Go to buy. And it's not the fastest platform in the world. Keep in mind, I'm also recording my screen, so I'll slow it down a bit. And we want to buy Cardano. You can see it's favorited up here, and you can see it appears here. And this is in Australian dollars, obviously, for all those in the US. And underneath, you can see how much Australian dollars you have available to buy Cardano. It gives you a 24-hour movement. And from here, you can quickly look in and access information like the charts. So this gives us a candlestick chart of how Cardano is performing. You can adjust the view to 45 minutes, and you can start analyzing straight in your platform, in your chosen platform. You can obviously set up buy and sell orders all through this platform as well, which is really, really cool. And you can have a look at your previous orders in the orders fulfillment section, which is handy to look back on how much you're paying, your fees, and information like that. So you can start calculating your losses and wins, which is going to be a bit of both. And you can also have a look a bit more about the information, which tells you about Cardano or the currency that you're looking at. So it's really interesting to read up in here and get a good idea about what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency. Now, these are the highlights of Swyftx, and that's why I use it. I'm not saying it's the best one, but it is low fee and it's easy to use, and it gives you lots of choices for looking at understanding cryptocurrency. Now, as I said before, I'm really new to cryptocurrency, but I'm starting to develop a strategy for making money with cryptocurrency. And as you can see, I've got some money invested, so it's not something I'm playing around with, it's something I'm serious with, and I want to take you guys along for the journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be going to my next one soon, which will be one about strategy and the cryptocurrency strategy I'm going to be using, or what I'm going to be planning to be doing. I hope you found this video enjoyable, guys, and learned a few things. Have a great day, keep well.